Hi, I'd like to introduce how to install the flashing the drive by using Balena Etcher. Ubuntu. This is Balena Etcher Flash OS image. You can use to download this one here. This is if you are using for Windows. You can use this one. They had a installer for Mac OS, Linux for 64-bit image and 32-bit image. Also for the Windows 8 times 86 times 64-bit and portable installer from times 86 and 64. Etcher for Windows. Now I have already downloaded files in my folder, and we're gonna install it. This one already installed in my computer. I'm gonna reinstall it back for you. We need to wait first until the installation to be done. Now we have the Balena Etcher flashing drive. I have my USB drive. The capacity is 1.01 GB, and I already put it inside in my laptop. And if you see it here, I have already the marks of the USB drive. We just to do is to flash the drive with sample operating system image. I'm gonna use a Tuna server file that is a free OS server open source, and we're gonna do it to flash it. So I'm using this one and Tunas, and just click the flash. Now it is starting. We're gonna wait just a little bit a minute. Approve it by administration. Now it's starting. As you can see, it is already continue flashing by percentage. Just for a moment, and we need to wait for it. We have different kind of flasher like the Balena Etcher. We can use Rufus, that we can use the ISO image and DDE image by GPT and MBR booting BIOS by flashing the drive through OS operating system. Let us to wait first the flashing. It is 22% now. For a minute, 5 minutes. but it will be done by 5 minutes for estimation. Also, the Balena Etcher, you can use flash by from URL. And also make it sure the drive clean and no corruption, that we can flash the drive with a good operating system image through our flash drive. So now we have almost 50% flashing and 4-minute estimation time to finish. I know it will take time, but we're gonna do taking some our patience to wait until it will be done. Now it's almost 81% and estimation 1 minute and 20 seconds. Now that's it, validating if all the files is correct installation and has no faulty files that imaging our flash drive. Now it's finished. Now it's finished. Now we need to remove our flash drive from here. But right now, in TrueNAS we cannot remove by using software inject. We need to do it in manual eject in our drive. Now we will give a little bit tour and demo for the Balena Etcher. This is the settings. You can check if there's any report usage or uncheck. For auto updates, you just only check like this, the auto update enabled and OK. And this is the instructions for their website. It will go directly to the website github.com balena, and you can see all the help with Etcher, the documentation, forms, how the software it will works, and giving us a instruction and guideline. So this is the Balena Etcher, a software application for flashing your drive through OS image or operating system image. And thank you guys.